Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power, flip the breaker and verify with a tester. Do not assume the switch is dead. Once done, remove the cover plate and loosen the mounting screws, keeping the switch centered for access. Make sure to photograph or label each wire so you know which is hot, load, and ground. Keep screws and plate together. At this stage, you're prepared to detach wires, so proceed slowly and confirm the absence of voltage before touching conductors. Next, loosen the terminal screws and remove the wires from the old switch. If they're short or frayed, trim and strip about 1/2 inch to expose clean copper. Connect each wire to the matching terminal on the new switch. The hot goes to the common, load to the other terminal, and ground to the green screw. Once attached, tug lightly to confirm solid connection. Then fold the wires back into the box with care and align the switch to the mounting holes so it sits flush when tightened. After you secure the switch and replace the cover, restore power at the breaker and test the switch immediately. Cycle it several times to confirm consistent operation and check the fixture for flicker or odd behavior. If the light doesn't work or flickers, turn power off again and recheck that the hot and load are on the correct terminals, that ground is connected, and that terminals are tight. If uncertainty remains, stop and consult a licensed electrician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.